Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 10 body parts. Let's start. E Y E I N O S E Nose. M O U T H Mouth. H A N D Hand. L E G Leg. T O N G U E Tongue. F O R E H E A D Forehead. C H E S T Chest. S H O U L D E R Shoulder. S K I N Skin. Thank you. Visit again.